Credit Strong payment method declines are usually caused by incorrect payment details, bank restrictions, or a problem with the card or account connected to your profile. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to check your Credit Strong payment method, fix common decline issues, and what steps to take if the payment still fails. Start by checking the payment information saved in your Credit Strong account. A payment can be declined if your card details, bank information, or billing information are outdated. Open your Credit Strong account settings and review the payment method listed. Update the information if you recently changed your card, switched banks, or received a replacement card. If the payment details are correct, check your bank account or card provider. Banks sometimes block transactions because of security settings, spending limits, or account restrictions. Make sure your card is active and available for online payments. A frozen card, expired card, or restricted account can cause Credit Strong payments to fail. If you recently added a new payment method, remove it and add it again. Re-entering the payment information can fix errors caused by incorrect setup details. Check for any messages or alerts inside your Credit Strong account. These notifications may provide details about why the payment method was declined. If your bank declined the payment, contact your bank to confirm whether the transaction is being blocked. Your bank can tell you if the payment needs approval or if there is an issue with the account. Avoid trying the same failed payment method repeatedly without checking the details first. Repeated failed attempts will not fix incorrect payment information. If your payment method still does not work after updating your details and checking with your bank, contact Credit Strong support. Provide the error message, the payment method you used, and the date the decline happened. The fastest fixes are usually updating your payment details, confirming your bank allows the transaction, and making sure your card or account is active. A declined Credit Strong payment does not always mean there is a problem with your account. The issue may come from the payment provider, bank, or outdated information. To recap, check your Credit Strong payment settings, refresh your payment method if needed, and contact support if the decline continues. Your next step is to open your Credit Strong account and verify the payment method connected to it. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other finance app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.